Okay, so almost fell. So I'm here with Steph and Kody, and I want to get their reaction of what they think of the engine bay.
Oh shit.
What do you think?
I'm colorblind, so I'm glad it's white.
Wait, is it dry? Okay, it is dry.
I mean, it's better than the last time I saw it.
Right? So good.
Not bad.
Wow, I thought
See if you missed a spot.
you guys would be more excited than this.
I saw it white like last week.
I know, but it wasn't this white. It like look how white this is. Look, touch that white.
Here's the thing: is we saw it white. It wasn't completed, but we saw it. So it's not like.
But look
drastic
how
change.
much brighter white it is. Like
how much brighter white.
yeah. So we need to put that thing in there.
Wait, what thing?
The steering rack.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what we're here for.
I remember. The motor sitting over there.
And then, but I can't record it because my battery's gonna die and the other batteries are charging. So we're gonna put this in and then I'll show you guys later. It's not really exciting. You guys saw us take it out vaguely, so let's get to work.
Better get to work. Work.
Kody, you ready to work?
Huh?
Okay, so me and Steph.
Yeah, you can look at me. I never said I helped.
We put the steering rack back in. We put the brake booster in. Except we didn't tighten the brake booster because I got to put the master on, and I want it all loose to fit everything in. And then Steph, what are we gonna do right now?
Get the motor.
Get the V8 motor.
2JZ.
Oh, easy. None of that conspiracy theory stuff. So let's do it. Let's close up the garage and let's go get that motor. Okay, we're in the truck and ready to go. We got Steph and Kody. Cody's dead.
Yep.
Thank you, Steph. So let's kick it. I just hit the camera on the truck. Oh, now I forgot what I was gonna say because I hit the camera on the truck. Oh yeah, I'm so excited to get the engine. Like, the car's coming closer and closer together. I'm so pumped because I need to start testing it and tuning it and burning tires. Because one, I miss it, and two, like in less than a month, we have round one of grassroots. So we need to do that. And by we, I mean us. So we're a team now, guys. Yeah, Kody and Steph just went to go get drinks from Matt's. This is why I'm always late, because see, I always try to leave on time, and somebody just ends up, oh yeah, can we stop here? And so I'm late. It's the real reason why I'm always late. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice pink one.
Looks like we're robbing the place, mate. The guy literally was staring at us as soon as we walked through the door.
Yeah, so we'll catch you guys at the Plan D garage. I just need to film the reaction of your sick ass shop, the Plan D shop. Get on in there.
Yo, sick. Dope. When you get Roman something like this.
I need a what?
To get you into something like this.
I wish.
I don't think I've ever seen this in person.
This is the piece of shit.
Dude. Yo, let's go.
Look at that.
Holy shit, mate.
I used to have
Wheels
a matching one of those right there.
Yeah.
But
He wall tap.
got a little sassy. So.
Wait, did you just do a cell or have you always had that?
No.
I just did it this year.
Okay, sick.
So, before it was
Tank?
yeah tank.
Just like me.
It was like trying to blow up a penticle.
Yeah. There was like pressure over here, and every time you open it, it would just go.
No, like I like walked by the car and I hear something hissing, and I'm like, oh, a tire must be ready to like blow up or something. I should go to there and I'm like,
It's not the
I'm
tire.
like, wait.
It was bad.
Cap off of there, and there's like 50 psi in there. It was like, and I was like,
Christ.
It was so bad. And notice how he doesn't have headlights and stuff?
That's dope.
Yeah, I was gonna say this thing's sick, dude.
yeah. And yeah, this thing you can.
Did you get this all printed out or did this come on it?
No, it comes with it. It's
That's
the
dope.
it's like stock car racing stuff. So it's
Okay.
the Fox Body Mustang body kit.
Yeah.
I'm like, well, I got one of those.
Wanna see something funny? So I've never sat in the car before it got built. Like when it was a 4-sill, I sat in it. And I've never driven the car, but now I can't because if you look at his pedals, he moved the pedals forward. And I can't fit in there with the wheel because my knees come up to here, and when I put the wheel on, it just rubs.
Had a smaller wheel, it would work.
I mean, yeah, or like more dish to it.
Yeah.
Then, yeah. And then he's got the fender flares like me.
Yeah.
Except his fit properly compared to mine.
Dude,
But yeah.
It's just plastic I cut out though. Like, it's just like random plastic. So.
And then that's the good old 5 liter behind you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What a difference it makes, eh?
Right?
That's sick.
Yeah, she should be pretty decent. You see, it's got the fancy dancy springs and shit in there. So.
Yeah. Bigger cam. All that fun stuff. So that she gets more power, and that means I can throw more grip at her.
Got all the go-go.
All the go-go.
Any more grip? You need to chill out.
Dude, I need more grip.
No, you don't.
I do, because I don't. I mean, fair point. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Look at that.
Right out there.
So that when I T-bone him, he won't get hit.
Dude, that's fucking wild.
And then next time, he's gonna freaking T-bone.
Cool. You gotta really give her.
Yeah.
If you get tapped, that door's gonna be fine.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. My door's gonna be screwed, but.
Yeah, no, yours is already fucked. You've been there.
Yeah.
Oh, sick.
Oh, try sitting in the seats, because some people, like, I can't fit in the seats.
Only this seat's really tight for him, but
Oh, it's a fucking metal seat.
Yeah, it's a metal seat.
I already ripped my pants.
No, you won't rip your pants. You just see if, like, you can actually fit.
Yeah, come on, you already ripped your pants once today.
I mean, it's probably easier, what, to close the door and jump in?
yeah, it's whatever you want, because in theory the door bar is about as tall as the door.
What can I step on?
Engine.
What can I step on?
Anything.
Dude, it's a race car. Like, this guy literally, at our first event, he showed up with a front end and he left with no front end. That was his first drift event.
No.
That was your first. It was when the car was white.
You know my first one. Oh yeah, at Evergreen.
Yeah, at Evergreen. That was right.
Yeah, first legit. There's
Yeah.
music work. That was so funny.
I fit.
No, but does your ass go all the way back?
You got my phone. My ass barely goes all the way back.
Yeah.
This is tight. this is fucking sick, man.
But the only thing is, like, when I sit there, I can't see, like, the end of the car. But when he sits in it, he's like, all I can see is, like, what, the...
I can see the top there, Kenny.
Yeah.
I can see about what you see. Which is not much.
Yeah. Which is why you keep swiping the front end off.
He probably fits in it pretty
Oh
well.
yeah.
Yeah, you fit in it.
Skinny man slice
You
over
could
there.
probably almost drive this if you're a little tall.
Yeah. It's not that bad. I can somewhat see out of it.
Yeah.
I mean, I'd probably be shit myself.
But what seat's that?
This is a Kirky racing seat.
Okay,
It's like a stock car seat.
Yeah.
So.
Very stock car.
It's
So-
more comfortable
Yeah.
than I had imagined.
Well, what, you did stock car racing before, right?
Yeah, I used to run stock cars and shit, so that's
Yeah, so
where all the inspiration comes from.
Oh, I can tell based on your Bill Elliott posters.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I thought it was
looking at the camera.
like, why is it not
Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, we can build engines. See, when you first fire this, it might clack and clutter for a bit because the lifters are dry.
no oil on the shit.
Well, no, there is. Just the lifters are dry, so like you see how it's still loose.
Yeah.
So, once the lifters pump up, it'll be fucking hard again. There you go. You got
Holy
an-
shit,
got an Engerino.
Where's Jared?
It might be over in a bit, I think. But so here's the cash.
So,
Brother has a cherry picker.
Get back to Julian.
no, we're trying to think because his brother has the cherry picker.
Yeah.
So we can't.
If the dually fits to the shop, we'll put it on.
We could.
Wait, so what's the plan here?
We're gonna move his car, we're gonna move this, and we're gonna lift the engine with the hoist arm, and we're gonna put the dually underneath.
Let's drive right now. Can you
What do you mean?
Snapchat
He was
this?
at Evergreen.
Yeah. I don't know.
Or not Evergreen, you were at Agassi.
Yo, this is so cool, man.
Plan D Mustangs don't run more less than -6 degrees of camber.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, even you run giant camera.
Yeah, I run -8, so.
Actually, it might be pretty good. It might fit though.
Maybe.
It's cool. Come on, here,
Yeah.
just work with it.
I had some. They used to.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know? I feel like a dick if I'm like, oh yeah, $100 to check the strings, you know? It's like you do it yourself so easy.
Is there any way you can air it out? No.
Is that all the way down on the truck?
Still fucking over there, right? I can hear it.
It's crazy. That little compressor and shit too.
Big ass deal.
Are you saying I'm not heavy enough?
That's what I'm saying.
How far in are we trying to get this thing right here?
Into the bed, not onto the tailgate.
Oh, look at that.
There we go.
Where that
Want me to lower it a little bit more? Oh, there you go. No, by the housing. Strong guys!
Myself.
I think I pulled the ribbon.
I fucking ripped my pants. We got it in the tire.
How'd you do that?
We looked
A
at
couple man powers right there. What does should go under the Alright, that's as far as she can go right there.
it.
You just wanna, while I go up, make sure that this doesn't get caught on the lifters.
Yeah. Okay, give her. I think it goes in between, right? I can give you a free tire. And this is how you treat it.
What? They pop back out though, right?
Anyway.
Oh yeah, so that's another drift bear. This is the only thing that sucks. Is the concrete that this is made out of does not
Right?
suit.
Okay, it's clear. If we bring this down.
Don't put this on the mat.
Swing it around.
Go down a little bit.
Was it picture tape? For the memory.
Start with it back.
Yeah, the vlog, right? For the memory, he says.
Okay. Let's bring. Pull that back. Get it as close to the flank.
fine.
As soon as we can, so that we can get the. That should fit once we put this.
Good night.
Dave getting stuff done. So tomorrow, finish up the steering rack stuff. We put the new, not the new wheels, they're the wheels that were for the back, but they got fresh tires. So I'm gonna stick those on the front, and then we can set her down, and then start working on this thing, get her ready to go back in the car. So, like, subscribe, and press the bell button, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.